Hello everyone, Mike, Andrew and Claire from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Here underneath this vintage GMC half-ton pickup truck. Claire, a very important question for you. What year were you born?
2000.
Drew, how old is this truck?
Almost as old as Claire.
2003.
Yeah.
So what did the truck come in with?
No start issue, got towed in, no start. No fuel. It had very low fuel pressure, nowhere near enough to get this thing to start as it should. This thing's designed to have higher fuel pressure. It had about 5-10 pounds. We checked for proper power at the connector to the fuel pump, because these things do have issues in regards to getting power supply to them, or bad grounds and all that. Grounds are up here. We've already checked those, repaired those to confirm it does have proper power with the plug-in. So we end up getting a new fuel pump setting unit. It is an updated unit. The old one on the vehicle comes with a square plug to it. This one here has an oval type plug in which we've already wired in the new connector to it. See the difference here with the two. It's very important to make sure you wire it in correctly with the wires. We got a new retainer ring and some new gas tank straps. Unfortunately, this thing's been up in the vehicle for quite a while, so everything was pretty rotted. We want to make sure everything we do is safe and secure. So we replace the stuff, probably hang it, and yeah, we'll be shortly reinstalling this into the vehicle and firing the vehicle up.
Well, it's very exciting.
Fuel filter too, very important. Changing a fuel pump, replace the fuel filter as well.
Wow, that looks new compared to the lines.
Yes. Yeah,
Cool.
she is vintage.
Vintage. Things don't always get better with age unless it's wine.
Yes.
So there we have it. And what do we always say, Claire?
Safety first.
Here at Urban Automotive, safety first. Thanks for watching, guys.